there, I'm Melanie, and I actually arrived at home at about 5 p.m. to find my toilet backed up. And since I am potty training a 3-year-old, I needed someone out right away. Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling was really the only company that understood the urgency of my problem, and they actually arrived at my home promptly, and they gave me an exact price before they did the work, which I was very thankful for. And they were definitely very courteous, very professional. I will not use another company.